When most people start cubing, they use the Rubik's brand cube, which is fine, but if you really want to start speed cubing, you shouldn't use this. In this video, I'll be showing some of the best budget cubes you can get in 2019. 3, 2, 1, ta-da! Here are 6 of the best budget cubes ranging from $5 to $14.50. Time to unbox. Our first cube is the Guanlong V3. The YJ Guanlong V3 is the newest version of the classic YJ Guanlong. So instantly you can see this is so much better than the Rubik's brand cube. Whenever we look at cubes, we always look at things like good corner cutting, not very good corner twisting. The Rubik's brand cube has to be totally aligned before you can turn the move, but most speed cubes can corner cut really well. However, the springs inside means sometimes the corners can twist. But this one's pretty good. So far I like this cube, but it's time to inspect the others. The MF3RV3 is the most expensive cube of the bunch, but a lot of people like it. It comes in quite a nice box. Who is she? This is a stand. Maybe that's why it's so expensive. I think I can do it. This is gonna take me ages. Finally, it has quite nice corner cutting and it doesn't corner twist that easily. Time for fast turns. It's a bit sandy right now. Usually when cubes first come out of the box, they don't feel good. But after a while they start to feel a little better. This cube is quite nice now actually. This cube is $8.50 and it is called the Little Magic because it is smaller than all the others. Okay, this one is like super hard to unbox. Finally, quite nice corner cutting. First few moves, actually quite nice. It's smaller than the other cubes. It's just a little taller than it, but it's only different by 1 millimeter, which is very small. I think it's a little better than the other two actually. It's a stickless version, so you can't easily compare it with sticked version. It's very slippery initially, but after a while it stops getting that slippery. The more you may long, 3x3 is an economy-friendly puzzle that is great for all level of solvers. That's what the website says at least. This one's easier. Phew. I thought there was going to be another plastic wrapping. This one's also a stickless cube. It has very good corner cutting and doesn't corner twist that easily. Like the other stickless cube, it's quite slippery, but doesn't feel that different to the Yuxin Little Magic. One of the only things different is the cost, but that's only 50 cents. Now onto the famous cheese sale. It's the new 2019 upgraded version of the original sale, which was widely known as one of the best budget cubes. I hope this one's not too hard to unbox. Come on. Even this is hard to unbox. Oh, actually that was quite easy. It has quite nice corner cutting, can't corner twist, first few moves, really nice. I actually already have the stickless version of this, and if you look carefully, the centers on this cube are a little bit more rounded off than this one, and that's meant to make it turn better. Now onto our final budget cube, and the cheapest one is only $5.49. Oh, actually this was quite easy to open. This looks cool. It's got a very, very weird texture. It's very lumpy and it can shine easily. It has very good corner cutting. Look, but it corner twists a little easily. The first few moves actually are really nice. This is quite a nice cube. The only thing weird about it is the weird texture. It's just a bit weird. Of course, the best way to find out if a cube is good is to actually do some proper solves on it. So I'm going to do 3 solves on each of these 6 cubes to find out which is the absolute best. cube is quite nice. Ooh. This feels like a really nice cube. I'm getting like the same times I get on my main cube. It's quite a nice cube. If you want to get it, just do a few solves first, and then after a while you'll find that it's quite nice. It's really slippery. It just kept on slipping so much. I was like doing the wrong move. That was just luck. Quite nice, but quite slippery. Doesn't have that good corner cutting. And just for fun, the Rubik's round cube. So, which is the best budget cube to buy in 2019? Well, I'm pretty sure it's the MF3 RV3. My favourite things about it is how well it corner cuts. Even though it corner twists quite easily, it's actually a really nice cube, and it's really, really fast. Although it is quite noisy, but it is the most expensive of the bunch, so if you don't want to pay that much money, choose one of these two. The Yuxin Little Magic, or the Gem. Although the Gem has a weird texture, I still think it's quite nice. And if you want a stickered version, and you don't want to pay this much money, you can get one of these. But I don't really recommend these two, because this is a bit slippery, and this one doesn't have very good corner cutting. Thanks for watching. These 6 cubes came from dailypuzzles.com.au. And if you want to get 10% off, use my dad's code, TINMAN, at the checkout. So in conclusion, don't use this cube, and use one of these guys. Happy speed cubing! Bye!